Hello there, people of the internet. I am the Goliath Warrior Gaming, and I'm playing Take Me to Another Useless Web. A lot of other YouTubers have played it, and practically, well, it's what it says on the tin, really. Take me to another useless website. And these are pretty useless. So, oh no, so just a warning now, there might be flashing lights in this one, because, so, yeah. G. G. Yeah, that's pretty straightforward. Very useless. Oh, sorry about that. That's just wrong. What's this? Whoa, that looks cool. Okay, so that's useless as well. How does that help? Oh god, look at its eyes. Oh, glory to the Hypno Child! Glory to the Hypno Child. God. Ugh. That's so useless. Oh, this is so weird. The music is weird. It's like that it's like a bunch of walls falling, or like a Ferris wheel, like it's going in a circle, like we're in the middle of like a wheel, something like that. So that's that. So cool. Oh yeah, some of these are actually really cool. Cat bounce. Meow, meow, meow. And if you don't know, I love cats. Oh, they're so cute. Wait. Boing. When's he coming down? Boing. Catch him midair. Oh, it's so cute. So cute. Cat bounce. No, no. Oh my god. So adorable. Oh my god, this is so cute. I can just be here all day. But I can't. So, yeah. Let's see what the next one is. Whoa. Okay, this is weird. Wait, there's a Red Bull there. Whoa. Comes Red Bulls, then it goes blue. Cool. This is actually really cool. Cool. Like it's machinery turning, well, making blue balls. Now that's a sentence I never wanted to say in my life. I regret saying that so much. Oh yeah, this doesn't work properly on mine for some whatever reason. It just points up there, which is weird. It doesn't work. Oh no. Imagine your in-laws are helping with your password like this. What they say? Oh, wait. I'm gonna actually do my password for my computer. I've seen dogs with better passwords. Are you talking this seriously? You're joking, right? This password needs more emoji. May God have mercy on your email account. Well, I don't have one. Don't come crying to me when you're hacked. Really proof effort. I'm not angry, just disappointed. Try harder, Bob. Oh, my mom calls me that all the time. Really, you call that a password? Do you even know what a password is? Worst password ever. Wow. Every day I'm hustling, 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 hustling. Every day I'm hustling, 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 hustling. Every day I'm hustling, 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 hustling. That's special. That's really something. Oh, I seen this before. When you press the refresh button, it change. Wrong button. Oh no, I pressed the wrong button. Yeah, changing color. So, that's that. Let's see, what's this one? Oh, this one. I've played this one. This is a weird one, like, very weird. It's taking a bit to load. But patience is a virtue. That looks like Pac-Man. Like how Pac-Man would look like if you go look at him head first. Now, it's weird. No. Yeah, that comes for some whatever reason. And if you notice her back, so it gets bigger. And eventually, when you eat enough, something will happen. Yum, 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 yum. I don't want your apple. No. 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 I don't want it. Fine. And that's the thing that happens. She doesn't even feel it. So that just keeps happening like that. So that's that. So oh, this one's cool. What? Oh, this is awesome. Oh, that's so cool. Well, looks like we're coming to the end of a video, so stay cool, stay awesome, be awesome. See you guys later. Remember, subscribe, drop a like, comment.